Hello guys, how's you all doing? Hope everyone is doing great at their respective places. Before getting in the video, I would like to introduce our Insta page. So follow up there because I cannot able to provide every news, every information in YouTube. And this will also a way for your queries. The link is in description. Follow there. And now let's get started. Congrats to all those students who gained medical seats through NEET. But the thing is that the total aspirants which are appearing for NEET is around 14 lakh, and the number of seats in government colleges is approx 70 to 80,000. So what about the rest 13 lakh who are not able to get their seats, the admission in the medical college? In this video, we will discuss about the course and the scope you can get without NEET, and also with these career options you can earn a good lifestyle. Here is the list of some courses you can get without NEET. First, BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapist. Then OTT, Operation Theatre Technology. Then Radiology and Radiography. Then MLT, Medical Lab Technology. Then Optometry. Or then best for the girls is BSc Nursing. BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. It is a 4.5-year UG degree, which includes 4 years of study and a half year of internship. BPT focus on the use of physical therapy, exercise to improve and cure injuries and deformities. Unlike other branches of medicine, physiotherapy does not believe in use of drugs and medicines. Physiotherapy only works on exercises and the physical therapy. Physiotherapy is a part of rehabilitative medicine. It focuses on the use of physical therapy, massage, physical movement and exercise to improve and cure injury and deformities. Unlike the traditional branch of medicine, physiotherapy does not depend on the use of drugs and medicines. Instead, it believes on the use of physical treatment to improve the situations. BPT is a undergraduate course. On completing the course, the student will get the DPT. DPT stands for Doctor of Physiotherapy. DPT course trains students and help them acquire skills and techniques that are necessary for the practice of physical treatment. Some important skills and techniques taught in BPT programs are like physical therapy, physical exercise, electrotherapy and handling of surgical and physical conditions. In case of reputed institutes, the admission process follow the rule of merit-based admissions. Seats are allotted to the candidates on the basis of marks scored by the student in 12th board, and entrance test is also conducted by separate universities or institutes for their particular admissions in BPT and other courses. Some institutes also have a minimum marks criteria which students have to satisfy to be considered eligible to take part in admission process. Minimum marks criteria is usually around 50% mark aggregation in physics, chemistry, bio in 12th board exams. Job scope and opportunities are immense when it comes to the field of physiotherapy. With age, people tend to develop bones as well as muscle problem. Physiotherapy to an extent can help to cure the disorder and conditions. Thus, it is safe to say that physiotherapists may work closely with such patients. Sports is another segment for physiotherapists may build a career in. Sports is such field where physical activities is involved. We all know that sportsmen tends to get injured. The common event in case of games that require high intensity physical activities. And after pursuing PG course like Master in Physiotherapy and PhD, one may can get the lecturer and the research professor job in a reputed institutes or universities. OTT, Operation Theatre Technician, is one of the course you can get without NEET. It is 2 to 3 year course in India. OTT are aligned healthcare professionals. Their task includes assisting doctors in surgery, arranging surgical instrument before surgery, sterilization instrument before surgery, cleaning surgical instrument after surgery, carry out surgeon command during surgery. In short, OT technician work in operation theatre of hospitals, intensive care units as well as emergency departments. Their main task is to assist doctor and surgeons during surgery. In India, Operation Theatre Technology courses are available in three formats. First, Bachelor of Science degree courses, then diploma courses, and last, certificate courses. Bachelor of Science degree is a 3 year long course. The academic program consists of classroom lectures and practical sections. Evaluation is done through written exam and practical tests. And the admission process depends on the institutes. Most institutes follow the merit based admission process where marks scored in boards and the entrance test are taken into consideration. Some institutes follow direct admission process. MLT, Medical Lab Technician, is a 3 year UG course who carry out all the non-clinical tasks in the lab and also in the health center. BSc MLT course will help you to become a medical laboratory technician. These technicians are also known by the name of medical lab assistants. And here's some tasks of MLTs: collecting clinical specimen of patients, labeling clinical specimens, safely storing of specimens, examine the specimens by subject to specific tests, writing down the fingers, examination method, specimen storage techniques, preparation reports, pathology, human anatomy, etc. Admission process may vary from institute to another. Some institutes are known to conduct the merit-based admission process. Some institutes are known to conduct direct admission process. But some institutes also conduct their own entrance exam for their admissions in their courses. So, the admission process follows different rules. After completing this course, you will get access to different type of job opportunities. Government and private medical lab assistants have access to different type of job opportunities. They are usually hired by hospitals, medical labs, NGOs, healthcare centers, urban healthcare centers, rural healthcare centers. In these places, they may done the following roles. They may be medical lab technologist, medical lab technician, medical lab assistant. Due to the length of the video, the rest three courses we will discuss in the next part. Thanks for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe the channel for the further notification. And you can also follow up on our Insta page for your direct query and your further suggestion. Thanks. Have a nice day.